Hi everybody and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily rename your House of Marley get together speaker using your iPhone or iPad device. So, at first we have to open settings and here we have to go straight to Bluetooth. Now we have to tap this info icon near our speaker's name and here we have to tap name at the top. Here now we can modify our name. We can add some emails, delete some emails, add some text, delete some text, etc. Everything works. Now if you want to bring back your name to the default one, it's easy because you just have to tap this X button here and done. It will bring back your name to the default one. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.